Hey guys, just wanted to show you really quick. I have this broken sprinkler. I just noticed. I can't tell on camera, but the water there's like a pool of water here. So I know there's a break somewhere. Oh, you can see the water gushing. So something's broken right there. I'm gonna let this finish running and I'm gonna show you how I troubleshoot this. Okay guys, it's actually a few days later. This thing is really loose, so you can kind of just pull it out. So I have this tool here that I got at Home Depot. You can get it anywhere. You can see this is kind of what connects the sprinkler head to I don't know what that's called in there, the water source in there, the pipe. All you do is you stick this in there, push it in nice and tight, and then see if I get a better angle. Try to keep turning so that you can get that part out. Sorry, camera is not very stable because it's on grass. Okay, so here's one half of it. So it kind of looks like someone kicked it actually. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other half that's in here. Oops. I think this thing was only like $7 at Home Depot, and it came with two of these sizes. One is, I think the other one was a lot smaller, and I've never even actually used it. So huge time saver. I used to have to like use pliers to try to hold on to like a tiny side and then try to turn it out. It's just such a waste of time. And then you can see this is where the water sprays out. So I'm gonna get it in there and make it face my yard. So you just screw both sides in. This actually is really long. I might go and buy a shorter one so this doesn't get kicked again. Oh, let me show you the inside. Can you see? So I'm screwing into this white thing right there. So I'm just gonna tighten it. Then, there you go, nice and tight. And you want to get it pretty tight. If the spray nozzle is not facing the right direction, you could actually lift it up and then turn it, but I don't need to. So that's it, really quick and easy. If you were to hire a plumber or a landscaper to fix this, I think I've heard people paying $75 to fix one. So yeah, invest in a couple of tools. That little riser thing was like 29 cents at Lowe's. So super easy fix, and of course this is reusable, and I'm sure I'm going to keep using this as long as I have sprinklers. So yeah, that's how you fix one of these broken sprinkler heads, or at least troubleshoot. If that's not the fix, gotta keep looking. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.